Samsung is minus 8.57% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is August 5th, and today we are putting the spotlight on Samsung, a global leader in semiconductors and consumer electronics. Samsung is down 8.57% to 240,000 Korean wons in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between 238,000 Korean wons and 249,500 Korean wons. The long-term fundamentals for Samsung revolve around memory chip cycle recovery, foundry competition, and smartphone demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung. Broadcom reached $200 billion RE memory chip deal manufacturing dive. Let us look at the broader sector picture. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that tech-heavy NASDAQ leads gain as a stock surge on earning boost, Iran talks, Business Today Malaysia. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that NASDAQ stabilizes as earnings validate RE TradeStation. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Rocket Lab made a dramatic move today, surged plus 5.75% to $74.48. Equity markets are responding to reports that Peter Beck's Rocket Lab reports earnings on. Here's the one number that will move the stock. Yahoo Finance. Government launch contracts with the US DoD provide baseline revenue visibility. The Electron rocket utilization rate is the near-term earnings driver. Any contract win announcement or NASA mission assignment would be a meaningful positive catalyst. Neutron program milestones are the re-rating event the market is waiting for. Sony plunged minus 5.23% to 3,589 yen in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that earnings call transcript. Sony beats on Q1 2026 profit and lifts full-year outlook. Investing.com. The technical picture for Sony has deteriorated. The 3,373 yen and 66 sen level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. Infosys made a dramatic move today, surged plus 4.42% to 1,180 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by India's Infosys forecasts weak revenue growth as RE-driven caution dents its spending. The annual revenue guidance range is the single most important event. Any upgrade above the current midpoint is a catalyst for the entire IT sector. Cobalt AI platform deal wins are the differentiation story. Watch the large deal TCV and the revenue conversion timeline. Here is our analytical view on Samsung from here. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung. Broadcom reached $200 billion RE memory chip deal manufacturing dive. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any Nvidia or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. Here is your market watchlist heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is our spotlight on Samsung from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.